What if you could swap faces in your photos with just one click? Whether it's for fun, memes, or creative edits, this AI tool does it all instantly and for free. Step 1. Introduction and account creation. First, click on the link in the description below to open the AIEASE AI tool. AIEASE is a powerful, all-in-one AI platform offering face swaps, video edits, and more, completely online and super easy to use. To get started, click on the login button at the top right and sign up using your Google account. It's quick and hassle-free. Once you're in, go to the AI tools section and click on AI Face Swap, and you're in. Here, you'll see two exciting tools, Swap Face, multiple faces. Let's check out both. Step 2, Face Swap. Want to swap a face in your image? Just upload your photo right here. Then upload the target face image you want to swap in. You can even pick a face from AIEASE's built-in library. I'm selecting this one for the demo. Now click the Swap Face button, wait a few seconds for the AI magic to work, and boom, your new image is ready. How awesome is that? Click right here to download your swapped image. Step 3. Multiple faces. Now for the fun part, swapping multiple faces in a single photo. Head over to the Multiple Faces tool. Upload a group photo. Again, you can use one from the library or upload your own. I'm uploading this one. Next, upload each of your target face images, one by one. Once you're done, hit the Swap Face button and wait a few seconds. And just like that, here it is. Every face swapped perfectly. Looks amazing, right? Click here to download your result. That's how simple and fun it is to swap faces using AIEASE AI. Try it out now, the link's in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crazy AI tools just like this. See you in the next one.